Okay, right, so let's get cracking. So all we're doing today is we're just going to show you some things I do if I'm bored or I'm not sure what to draw. I just do these little characters, and you would have seen it from my subscribe animation that I did. So all I do is just make they can be circle shapes or sort of potato-y. They don't have to be perfectly round, and you don't have to be like precious about it. Just making any sort of shape, and then I'll turn them into they're like little spiders. I'm quite rough with it because it's just stuff I do when it's like doodling when I'm not doing anything super proper art. Or sometimes I use them now when I fill in, like, I'm doing a picture, I've got loads of space, so I might pop bits like these sort of spiders all over the place. I say the spiders, they're not really spiders. So they've got 5 legs. So I don't know. If you've got a name that you could name the character, maybe pop it in the comments. But they're super easy to draw. And it's just what I do when I'm like warming up maybe, or like I say, got nothing to draw, don't know what to draw. Sometimes you feel like, oh, I'm gonna do my sketchbook, but I'm gonna ruin my first page, or I don't know what to draw in the first page. I just find something that's super easy to do, and it looks quite nice. And like I say, they're easy to do. You can use any kind of pen. So this one's like a brush. So I'm just going to go over that. I don't have to follow the lines exactly. They're just there for a little guide. And if you start building them into your page, I mean, you could come up with your own kind of character. They just look really smart. I really like the way they look. Sometimes I put little strings off them, like that. Some in here. So use, and like you see, I animated it. So what's good is you can practice doing them all kind of different positions. You can maybe have them looking a bit sad, a bit cuter. So yeah, it's like my logo now. And I also use it for my subscription, so I thought, oh, I need to show you how I do it, basically. Look at that. I didn't let it dry, and now look what's happened. And they're really easy to shade in, because you just make one side a little bit darker, make one side a bit lighter. See if we can do this one a bit better. I mean, you could do them any colour, really. I like to do them grey. So look, I like them to look like little spiders. I suppose they are spiders. Put a little shadow under. Does that look good? Cool, so don't forget to hit like if you enjoyed the video. Also, hit me up, let me know what you think we should call this character. And the best one, whoever comes up with the best idea, we'll go with. And I'll see you next time. Bye.